how to make everything dark mode in your Chrome browser. If you want to open all website in dark mode, if you want to operate all website in dark mode in Chrome browser, then I'm going to show the one trick that you can use, and you can convert Chrome browser in dark mode and Chrome browser to the dark mode, and this is apply for your all website. Okay, so let me start with the video. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open my Chrome browser first. Okay guys, so we are on my Chrome browser. So as you know guys, there is no any option on Chrome on menu bar that you can use and turn your Chrome browser to dark mode. So there is no any option on Chrome menu for the dark mode. So there is a settings in Chrome that you can use easily, and change the Chrome from light to dark for all website. So what you need to do, just click on this three dot option, go to the settings, and now we need to go on flag setting of Chrome. You can say the advanced setting. So come to this browse section and select the settings only. Keep the Chrome colon and double slash, and delete the settings word and type here flags. Okay, and then this link will become, just click on it. Then this is a flag setting. You can say advanced setting of Chrome. Now just enter the dark word here under the search bar, and you can see the auto dark mode for web content. This option will be come up. Now what you need to do, just click on this sidebar, this down arrow, and enable it, and just relaunch. The relaunch option come after you enable it. So click on the relaunch, then your site will be relaunched with the dark mode. Now you can see the all content will be, all website will be, you can operate or see in dark mode. So if you want to disable it again, same step you have to follow. Go to the flag setting, search your dark word, and now just default, make it default, and just relaunch. Okay, so now your browser in the light mode. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.